Hey, what's up? It's Triggy. Last time, we started making a zombie survival game where red characters chase blue characters and try to turn them red. Let's see if we can make some more progress. First, let's replace these simple models with more complex ones. For now, I'll still have them be red and blue though, so that we can tell the difference between healthy and infected people. You'll notice that shooting a character just makes them disappear. Let's improve that by having the character take damage, and when their health is at 0, they'll have a dying animation. That's close, but the dead bodies still continue moving forward. Let's make sure to set their speed to 0 in the dying function. Alright, but for some reason they're floating. Let's just set the animation to not affect the Y displacement of the character. There we go. Now to make this more engaging, I want to add sound. I found this gunshot clip online, and we'll add the sound to the gunshot function. Let's also animate the gun to have some recoil with the gunshot. The animations displace the position of the gun over time. I was a bit fast and loose when I coded the script to play the animation, so I'll try doing it properly with animation parameters that control when the scripts play. And that didn't actually change anything, but it turns out I just needed to disable root motion on the animations, so that's done. Also, it's time for a change of scenery. I found the city model online, which we're going to wholesale copy into our scene. And now let's take a look at this game so far. For the sake of testing, I've decided that everyone is a zombie whether they're blue or red. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this, and I'll leave it there for today. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.